Odisha, and there are new guidelines which are currently in place that Odisha has given out for all the people from the state who may be stranded in some other states. Considering all state borders now have been sealed, Odisha says whoever wants to return will be allowed to return, but only after they get a stamp, perhaps on their hand, which is going to be with a date in indelible ink, so that they can be self-quarantined for some time. They will have proper stickers which are going to be put up in front of their houses as well, and all of these people are going to be monitored. Shreyoshi is joining us with more details on this. Shreyoshi, it is very important that these stamps are putting out, of course, because there have been human rights activists who are saying it's inhuman to stamp people, but many cases we found it that of necessary.
Well, that's right. And Meghna, this is basically Odisha's way of preparing for especially migrant laborers who are going to return to the state once the lockdowns are relaxed, as and when that happens. But Odisha government already beginning their preparations, because there's going to be a huge influx of people who will be coming into the state from COVID-affected areas. You know that this morning around 57 roads have been sealed between Odisha and West Bengal. And of course, there will be people coming in from everywhere, not only domestically but also internationally, once those lockdowns are relaxed. So Odisha government has issued fresh guidelines saying once these people return, they will be stamped with indelible ink, and the ones who will be allowed to stay under home quarantine will have stickers placed outside their houses prominently. And all these instructions have already been given to DMs and panchayats regarding the return of citizens from different parts of the state once and when the lockdown is relaxed.
Well, keep tracking the details on that front. Of course, there is hopefully a graded exit from this lockdown, and these steps are very important to be in place already. Thank you so much, Shreyoshi.